This brand new tool over here, combined with this brand new website over here that has not been spoken about before, will allow you to snoop underground products on Clickbank to maximize your earnings and commissions. This is no website required, no YouTube, so we're not going to be using YouTube Shorts or creating any content. This is not Instagram Reels. We're not going to be using TikTok. We're not going to be using blogs that take years to become successful. We're not going to be spamming links all over the internet hoping for people to click on our link. You're going to want to see this one because this can be and is completely free and on the go, meaning you can do this on your iOS or Android device or any device with a browser anywhere in the world, mobile, whether you're in a coffee shop, at home, at school, at university, or at work. You can do this as a full-time income or a side hustle on your mobile phone. So without further ado, let's get straight into this. What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? My name is Jay, your no BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I use to make money online. If you want to get the Drop Servicing University program off all the way down to $29, enter this coupon over here on the first link in the description. I've decided to open up 10 spots available for this coupon. They are going to go pretty quickly before the price goes back up to $3.97. So make sure to go and do that down below. And make sure you subscribe down below with the red notification bell on so that I can send you a personal message to your phone every time I upload an epic video just like this one. I'm also going to announce the winner of yesterday's $30 giveaway competition at the end of this video, so make sure to watch until the end. Make sure to leave a like, comment down below your most favorite or motivational quote, and I will do another giveaway in tomorrow's video for another $30. But without further ado, we're going to continue for the first step. So step number one is we're going to come over to this Clickbank snooping tool over here, where we're going to go and find products that we can maximize our earnings off of. Now, you can sign up to this website completely for free. You can see over here, join us for free. There are paid plans, but the free plan for what I'm going to show you is more than perfect. And if you take a look over here, you can find products super quick. You can go in depth with product performance data displayed in clear and easy to understand graphs, giving you the knowledge that you need to make an informed choice on the product that you want to promote. You can find hot movers and shakers, which tell you which products are hot, which are not, which products are failing. You can also filter out all the reoccurring commission products that pay passive income every month, and you can bookmark your favorite products as well. So all you're going to do is you're going to click on join us for free over here. It will open up the sign up page in a brand new tab. Okay, I've already signed in with my account, but if I log out, all you need to do is enter your username, email, and password. Verify your email, and it will take you to a dashboard that looks like this. Now, this may look pretty foreign to some of you guys, but if you follow my mouse and pay attention to exactly what I'm going to do, I'm going to explain an easy step-by-step tutorial for you guys to understand this simple Snoop tool. Now, before I continue with this website, if I quickly show you and compare this to Clickbank, if I come over to the Clickbank marketplace at clickbank.com and you sign in with your account, let's just go and search all products over here through all categories, and we go and filter by gravity. Now take a look at this. There are some products over here, and there's no real statistics. It only shows you what your commission is going to be, the gravity, the reoccurring bill commission, and basically what you're going to earn and what category it's in. There's no real information such as how is this product doing, what's the trend over the years, how much people are actually selling this product, who's making commissions, which countries are performing the best with a specific product. And that is vital information we need in order to succeed with a specific product when we are doing affiliate marketing. That is where this CB Snooper tool is going to help us over here. So what we can go and do is let's just go and copy one of these products, for example, just the title, and we come back to cbsnooper.com and we click on the search bar over here. And if I paste the search bar and I open up the Okinawa Belly Flat Tonic over here in CB Snooper, we can see the overall rank of this product, what you're going to earn, the reoccurring billing commission, the percentage per sale, the gravity, how it's done 5 months ago, since yesterday, and you can see different spikes in different trends. The gravity over here coming down, so this shows you this product is starting to go down a little bit in trend. That's why the gravity is down over here. And just some more information on total rebill amounts, percentage per rebill, commissions, referred percentages, initial earnings per sale, and average earnings per sale over here. So these are much more in-depth statistics that we can use when identifying a Clickbank product than just the basic information that is showed on the Clickbank marketplace. Now, if you take a look at the top of CB Snooper, they got a menu bar over here. They've got a reports tab, and if you click on this, it's going to pop down with new products, top products, peaking products, hot products, rising products, failing products, and reoccurring products over here. So new products are basically new products that have been launched. Top products that have the highest ranks. Peaking products are products that are reaching the peak of their virality. Hot products, also trending products right now. Rising products, which are products that are coming up from the bottom. Failing products, which are products that are going down and not doing so well. And reoccurring products, which is my favorite category, where we earn a monthly passive income commission for the rest of our life of just one referral. So that means if you refer 5 people to a reoccurring product the first month, 5 people to that same product the next month, you're now going to have 10 people paying you every month for the rest of your life. And if you have another 5 people the third month, that's now 15 people paying you every single month for the rest of your life. So reoccurring products is a very powerful way to build up a big stream of passive income over time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go click on reoccurring products over here, as that is the category I like to focus on. So here you can see we've got the Okinawa belly fat tool, the #1 rank in the reoccurring revenue products. We've got the custom keto diet, his secret obsession, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. And the exact product that I want to go and use for the specific video and strategy to make money from is this get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Now, the reason why I want to choose this product is firstly because everyone uses Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Okay, and it's something that will apply to everyone, because if I come back over here, not everybody wants to learn how to lose belly fat. Not everybody is into fitness. Not everybody is into dieting. Yes, there's a big market for it, but everybody uses Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at least at some point in the day or the week. Now, what we can go and do is we can go and give people the opportunity to make money off of that. So over here you can see this is an overall rank of 8. The gravity has come down slightly, but not that much. You can see the product is kind of plateaued, so it's not really going down, it's just remaining flat. So it's probably at the peak of its virality, and you will earn $36 your first sale, 80% commissions per sale. That is huge commissions. I mean, if you think about a standard salesman job, you're only earning 2 to 5%. 80% is absolutely massive, and $49 every single month thereafter, which is 89% commission per sale. And this product has been around for 10 years already. So now that we've found a decent product, you can use any product that you want to. I recommend use something that's in a niche that you like, something that you're passionate about, and also take a look at the statistics on CB Snoop, as you obviously don't want to go and promote a product with a trend that is going down or that is losing ranks. So that's mainly what you want to focus on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and search this same product on Clickbank over here, which is over here, get paid to use Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. Now, if you have a look at this little link over here where it says affiliate page, this is super important, the affiliates page over here. You want to go and right click, open this link in a new tab, and this is a website where we can go and find tons of resources for this product, such as videos, email swipes, landing pages, short ads, videos, product images, upsell flows, demographics, and all sorts of resources we can go and use when promoting this product to get the most conversions and sales as possible. And remember, this product is going to pay you $39 the first sale, and over here $49.59 every month thereafter for every person that you refer. So if you refer 10 people to this product, you're gonna have 10 people paying you $490 every single month for the rest of your life. 100 people is $4,900 every month for the rest of your life. 1,000 people is $49,000 every single month for the rest of your life. So you can see how this can build up over time. What I'm going to do is you want to go and click on the videos over here of the paying social media jobs, and you will see a whole bunch of little short ads, videos over here. And what you want to go and do is you want to click on these 3 little dots over here. Right click inspect elements, and over here you will see there's a link to this video in the little code. So that's, again, just to recap, right click inspect elements or open in full screen over here, and you can go and copy this link over here. There's like a blue link. Let's just get out of full screen, go and paste this link in a new tab, and now you can click on these 3 dots and click on download. And you want to download this video to your PC. And that's going to lead us to the next website or step. We actually want to come over to this website over here called BitChute.com, which is basically another YouTube, except there's no competition on this website. I mean, if you think about YouTube, there's people posting every single day. Now, this specific website pays very well, 79% revenue commissions on videos, and Not only that, you can make money off affiliate commission. So if I come over to SimilarWeb over here on Google, it will be similarweb.com. I just want to show you how much traffic this website BitChute is getting every single month, so you can get an idea of how much traffic you're going to get. So all you do is you just paste the link to this website over here on SimilarWeb, click on the website in the drop down over here, and it will open up a whole stats page over here. I'm just waiting for this to load up. The internet is not the fastest today. Here you can see BitChute is currently the 1,348th biggest website in the world. 559 rank in the United States and 51 rank in its category, which is huge. I mean, considering there's millions of websites out there, this is doing pretty good. This website is getting 43 million views every single month. This is good because we want websites with a lot of traffic to get the most views and commissions and conversions as possible. Have a look at where the traffic's coming from. Also, a big point to take note of: if traffic is coming from first world countries, that is a valuable traffic source because those countries have strong currencies. There are people there that want to learn, people that are willing to invest into themselves, such as 47% of the people on BitChute.com is from the United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, and Germany, all first world countries with strong currencies, which makes your views and clicks more valuable. Because obviously with this product being $36, now if people from third world countries with weaker currencies click on this product, for example me in South Africa, for me this product is 500 Rand. Now 500 Rand is a lot more money in South Africa than for someone who's in the United States that has $30. You can understand why these kind of things and the traffic source plays a big role on your conversions and your commissions. So on BitChute.com, you just want to go and sign up and create your account. So I've already created an account. All you got to do is enter your username, email, and password of your channel, and it's completely free. And we want to go and upload a video. So you'll see over here, let me just quickly click on create a channel. Here you can see is my channel over here that I've just created for the purpose of this video. You want to then click on upload new video over here. And very similar to YouTube, you've got a video title, description, content sensitivity, and a cover or your thumbnail over here. And all of this information we can go and get from the Clickbank affiliate product over here. So what you want to go and do is you want to go and open up the homepage of this get paid to use Facebook and Twitter YouTube product, or the product that you've chosen, which is this link over here, and it will open up this page over here. And what you want to do is you can go and copy the title of this page over here, come over to BitChute, and we can go and use this as our description. For our title, we can type here, this is how to earn money while chatting on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So this example, I pretty much just got influence from the title over here, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. And then for our description over here, we can also go and use this take a 1-minute quiz below. And you want to click on enter on your description. And over here where it says click start quiz below, you want to go and enter your affiliate link. So over here on Clickbank, click on promote of this product over here. It will open up this little tab. Click on generate hop links. Copy this hop link over here. And you want to come over to a website called bit.ly to go and shorten your link to make it look a little bit shorter and not as spammy and unneat. Click on create on the top right and just paste your long URL over here and click on create. And then for the custom backhalf, we can type here social media quiz, for example, and click on save over here. And then you want to copy this new short link, come over to BitChute, and just paste your little short link over here. And for your content sensitivity, I would say leave it as default content that is suitable for ages 16 and over. And for our thumbnail, we want to go and create something captivating that people will click on. So what I go and do is I use this tool over here called Thumbnail Blaster. Let me just click on blaster.com over here, which is a tool that can automatically generate and create you attention-grabbing thumbnails in 3 clicks with this AI. This tool does have a fee of I think like $30 once off. $36.86. It's honestly one of the best investments I've made for my channel. I'm actually going to log in now and show you some of these thumbnail templates, some of them over here. Here's some of the templates over here just to give you an idea, and you can go and edit them in this tool over here. I'm just waiting for it to load up. So you've got all sorts of niches like how to rank on YouTube, best dog training guides, all sorts of thumbnails. There's over I think like 150 different templates. And over here on your Blaster Suite dashboard, this is the login link, or the link that will send you to this tool. Once you purchase it, you can come over straight to the website. I'm not an affiliate for this tool. I don't get any commissions by promoting this product. I just use it myself and recommend it. So over here, click on Start with No Video, and over here you can see all the thumbnails over here. And one that I really like over here is this one over here, the Make Your First $100 Online Today, with this little female template holding some money. So we can click on Use Template over here. It suits the whole make money on YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook. So then all we're going to do is we're just going to change the width at the top over here to 1920 by 1080, and we can just go and click this text over here and go and edit it. To use, we can type here social. We can make this a little bit bigger, and we can type here media. We can just move this down, make this a little bit bigger, and make this text a lot bigger over here. So something just like that. Get paid to use social media. We can then click save as JPEG image over here, and it will save down below to my PC. Come back to BitChute, just click on upload cover, and go and choose the same template that you downloaded off Thumbnail Blaster, and it will upload to your thumbnail template. Now your thumbnail is done over here. What you want to go and do is you just want to go and upload the video of that same video we downloaded over here from this affiliates page over here. So just come back to BitChute, upload video, and double click the same video that we chose, and this will then upload to BitChute. And just like that, your video is now complete. Your video is uploaded with the correct description, title, and upload cover over here. Once you're ready, you want to click on Publish Live over here, and yeah, you can see my video is just being processed. We can go and check visibility. So there's no restrictions. This video is viewed worldwide over here, so every single country can view my video. There's no restriction type, and it's applicable to every country, as I said. Settings over here, we can change our description if you want to, add a couple of hashtags. So what we can go and do is we can go, for example, make just like make money online, how to make money online, and you can add a couple of hashtags to maybe get some more organic traffic. And when you're ready, you can click on save over here, and once this video has been processed, it will be posted publicly on bitchute.com, and you can watch as you get more views, grow yourself a channel on bitchute.com, and just watch how many traffic sales that you get over time. And the whole point of this is you want to get subscribers to your channel, so you get that long-term jeopardy and clicks on videos that you've made years ago to get sales on all of your videos at once. The whole point of this is to be consistent, and you can actually grow a very big business out of this, especially with the point that you're promoting a recurring commission product and make a monthly commission every single month of just one referral. But what I'm going to do is to help you out more with passive income, affiliate marketing. I'm going to leave my Clickbank playlist over here with more awesome tips, tricks, Clickbank products, how to make money with affiliate marketing over here as well. And somewhere else over here as well, I'll show you how I take all my affiliate commissions and make money with stock markets and make money on my money. So I'm making money with active work, which is affiliate marketing, drop servicing, and drop shipping. And then I reinvest my money into stock markets and forex markets, which I've also got a whole trading playlist over here. So you can go and click on one of these over here to learn both ways on how I make my biggest streams of income. So without further ado, click on one of these playlists over here, and I'll see you over there.